Okay, guys, this is what happened. I filmed, or so I thought, my unboxing of Cutcardstock order. It was a brief video, maybe 4 minutes, and when I disconnected my phone, no video. And then I tested it, and the video was saying, warning, recording failed. So everything I recorded didn't record. So instead of wrapping everything up and doing a fake unboxing, I'm just gonna kick it up straight from here. Okay, so this is what I got from my latest order from Cutcardstock. Disregard that, I'll go over that in a minute. I got Cougar white cardstock. It's 130 pounds. This is great. I've used Cougar in the past. It's comparable to Neenah. Neenah is more popular. A lot of the card makers use it. I wanted to try this and do a side-by-side comparison. Copics, ink blending, and stamping, Cougar versus Neenah. I just want to see what, the differences, because this is really, it's a nice weight. It's 130 pounds, great for card bases, great for die cutting and stacking, for dimension, things like that. So I wanted to give this a shot and see how it compares. And it's beautiful. It's nice, bright white. Okay, the other item I got is something it's just a reorder on an item that I showed in the last unboxing. It's Star Dream Metallic in Eris. Eris? I don't know how to say that, but E-R-I-S. It's 126 pounds. This is it out of the packaging. It's nice and thick. It's gorgeous, perfect for card bases, and it's very classy, and it's really, really high quality cardstock. This is the Star Dream 126 Pluto. I just wanted to show you side by side the difference. The Eris has a little bit of an ivory look, and the Pluto is a little bit more of a silvery with a little bit of maybe bluish undertones. So I love them both, but I think I would use this one more. Okay, moving forward. I ordered this 12 by 12 because they didn't have they sold out of the 8.5 by 11, and I wanted this color. This is called Crystal. It's not as thick as this one. It's not 126 pounds. It's 105, which is also, it's a good weight, and it's good for card bases as well as die cutting. It's very pretty. And compared to the Eris, whatever, this one and this one, it's a different color. It's a little softer, and the sparkly is a little bit less. It's more of a shimmer, and these have more of a sparkle in them. All right, and that's that. And the last product is that's why I didn't get a lot in this video. In this order. This one is called Quartz. It's 105 pounds, same as this. Again, the 8.5 11 was sold out, so I got the 12 by 12. And it too is beautiful. It's similar to the Quartz, the Crystal rather. In fact, it's more of a white, whereas the Quartz has a little bit of a ivory kind of rose undertone. So these are the 4 Star Dreams that I've tried so far. Eris, Pluto, 126 pounds. Crystal, Quartz, 105 pounds. So those are the 4 Star Dream products. Now, as far as my channel, if you leave a comment down below and you subscribe, first and foremost, and you leave a comment on any video within a certain month, every month I do a random comment giveaway for subscribers that leave comments on videos. My daughter chooses the winners, and the prizes consist of either a stamp set, a die set, or a stamp and die set combined, depending on what it is. And that's it. So, and also, if you want a sample of any of these just leave a comment down below. Let me know. And I'll send you my email. And just give me your address. And I'll send you out a sample. The samples will be A2. Because that's the easiest to ship. And that's typically what I use for my card bases. Is my cards are A2. Which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And that's it. If you get a chance, please check out Cutcardstock. I definitely recommend buying in bulk to save on shipping. They have $5 shipping over a certain amount. I think it's $59. So if you buy a bulk, maybe do it once a year, twice a year, and you're good to go. And it's only $5 shipping. And what happened was the box was delivered and it was raining and it was wet. So I put the box aside and let it dry, but everything was wrapped up really nice, like they always do. They wrap everything up nice with bubble wrap, and everything came perfect, even though the shipping box was wet. So that's another great thing about Cutcardstock. They ship fast, and it's top-notch. So thank you again for stopping by, and please don't forget, like and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will see you on the next video. Take care. Oh, and happy holidays if I don't see you before then. Bye-bye.